Chris Cinnamon here. Thanks for checking out this video. It was recorded in front of a full house during my 2024 Summer Qigong Workshop. For more, be sure to subscribe to our channel and please like, comment, and share this video.
And I would like to go back to where we started, lifting the sky, and now incorporate into lifting the sky as much as we can of what we introduced after that move. And shift weight, widen your stance a little. Sink in your legs, place your hands, palms up in front of your hips. Stretch up through the legs. Elevate the hands, they turn over, they circle out and down. The basic move. So let's begin to incorporate what we've covered so far into this move. First, if you feel any pain, adjust the move so you don't. For example, if I had some pain in a shoulder, I might do the move like this. And if you don't have pain in the shoulders, you don't need to, but adjust it so it's pain-free. Next, the 70% rule. As you lift up, do you feel any pushing or straining? If so, that's a signal you're exceeding your 70%. Feel for that light stretch without strain. We're aiming for increasingly connected whole body movement. So get that sense of the legs helping lift the arms and hands. Sinking to the legs helps draw them down and in. Stretching helps lift them up and out. When you get it, you'll get this sense of lightness in the arms and the sense of almost no independent arm movement. It's controlled by the bending and stretching of the legs. All right, now the fun stuff. So feel the top of your head. Release down your body to your feet and below your feet. Feel the top of your head. Release down. So this movement may help stimulate that release. And you may experience a point where that release starts leading your movement. And if you've experienced it, just ride it. Release down. And how about the other way? Drop. Release down. Drop. Release down. Now this drawing up, you may get no sense of it. You may get some sense of it. And how far up today you can get a sense of drawing up in your body, there's a lot of variability, but you do what you can. And that can include getting a sense like something's coming into your feet. That could be that something comes in your feet and goes all the way up your body to the top of your head and the tips of your fingers. And anywhere in between. So work with what you got. But incorporate it into this move. So what I'd like you to do now, as we prepare to conclude this movement, is soften the downward release. Soften the drawing up. Smooth out the transitions. 2 more. Come to the bottom of your circle. Step back to neutral posture. Grab a seat.